Mavis AI has just hit the market, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software. If you're curious about whether Mavis AI lives up to the hype, or if it's just another tool on the shelf, stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly what to expect. First off, Mavis AI is designed to simplify digital marketing by using AI to automate key tasks, saving businesses time and money. What's impressive right from the get-go is how intuitive the software is. Even if you've never used AI tools before, Mavis makes the setup process simple, with clear onboarding and step-by-step guides. It's made for marketers, business owners, and anyone who needs to streamline their operations. But don't just take my word for it. You can try Mavis AI completely free with the first link in the description. Let's jump into the functionality. The AI is incredibly versatile, offering features from automated content creation to personalized marketing automation. If you're familiar with digital marketing, you'll recognize how big of a deal this is. Content creation is often a bottleneck for marketers, but Mavis AI can generate high-quality written content for social media posts, blogs, and email marketing campaigns in minutes, not hours. It uses natural language processing to mimic your brand voice, making it a solid choice for any business looking to enhance their digital presence without the overhead. Now, let's talk about Mavis's personalization features. This software doesn't just stop at creating content. It tailors everything to your audience by using behavioral data to adjust marketing strategies. This means whether you're sending an email campaign or creating a targeted ad, Mavis AI ensures you're speaking to your customers in a way that resonates with them. On top of that, Mavis AI is perfect for small businesses. While many AI tools require hefty subscriptions, Mavis is fairly priced, making it accessible for startups and growing businesses. It also integrates with a wide range of third-party platforms, including CRMs, social media tools, and email providers. This means that whether you're running your marketing from one centralized platform or multiple tools, Mavis can seamlessly integrate into your workflow. What's even more impressive is how Mavis AI handles analytics. It doesn't just help you create campaigns, it helps you measure their success. You get real-time insights into your campaign's performance, helping you make adjustments on the fly. Whether you're tracking conversion rates, engagement metrics, or ROI, Mavis ensures you stay informed and make data-driven decisions. But here's where Mavis AI really stands out. It evolves with your business. The software learns from the campaigns you run and the feedback you provide. It doesn't just offer fixed solutions, it adapts to your unique needs, which is crucial as your business scales and your marketing strategy becomes more complex. So, should you try Mavis AI? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a marketing tool that blends automation with personalization, while still being affordable for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a free trial, so you can test all the features and see firsthand how it fits into your digital marketing strategy. If you've been hunting for the best AI software to boost your marketing efforts, Mavis AI is worth a look. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've found that Mavis stands out for its ease of use, personalization features, and affordability. Remember, I've got my recommended AI tools linked in the description below. These are tools I've personally tested and believe can help take your business to the next level, whether you're just starting out or scaling up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial of Mavis AI today.